Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amma. For those of you who are new here, I do everything here, and as well as other videos, talk, pranks, challenges, cooking videos, and a whole lot more. So please hit the subscribe button down below and the bell beside it, so that whenever I make a post, you'll be alerted. So without any further ado, let's just get right into today's video. So I'm going to transform myself from I'm going to be transferring myself to this. Okay, so we are just going to do pony. Simple, okay? Okay, let's go.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gone. disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Alright guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you noted everything down. So yeah, this is the end. This is a braiding hair. It's not a human hair, it's a synthetic hair. That's why it's tangling up and everything. So as you can see, I have a bit of flyaways here and there. Some delay down. Well, I think I didn't dry it enough. I didn't wait for it to get dry because it's moist. It's really moist here, like everywhere. But I just wanted to finish up this video quickly and get to other stuff. Okay, so they said this is the emperor. If you like it, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up so that I can get to a lot of people. That is why we always say give it a thumbs up, so that people, it's like you recommended something to somebody. So if you feel like this video, if you feel you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't. My name is Amma from Pomoakwachi. For those of you who are new, I would like you to subscribe. Okay, watch my other videos, the links will be in the description box, and follow me on my socials. Yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.